Hello, hi everyone. Russia has cleared a key defense pact with India ahead of President Putin's visit to India. And what is that? What is this pact? It is called the reciprocal exchange of logistical support role reloads. Think of it as a friendship deal between two countries militaries, where both sides agree to help each other with basic facilities that each other's military need, like the army, navy, air force. Can we can use Air force can use each other's military bases, fuel, food, repair services, spare parts, aircrafts, airfields, sea parts, etc. It is like if you soldiers or ships come to my country, they can rest, repair or reload here, and when mine comes to your country, they get the same help. Now, why this agreement is important? Because it saves money. Both sides don't have to build new bases everywhere. It helps in faster response. If a crisis or disaster happen, military ships, planes can quickly get fuel and supplies. It strengthens partnership and shows deep trust between the two countries, and more importantly and strategically, it gives a presence in far away regions. So basically, if India and another country signs the reloads agreement, an Indian navy ships sailing for far away can stop in that country's port for fuel and maintenance, and that country's aircraft can also land in India for fuel and maintenance. So in short, reloads agreement is equal to mutual support, share military facility, and cheaper operations and faster movement.